everybody, Harold here. Here's a new video on enhanced Power BI DAX time intelligence. You may have seen my one on the weekly functions, WTD, previous week and next week. That was a little quick. I got excited. I've gone more in depth, and I'm going to give you a comprehensive guide on how to use these new Power BI enhanced time intelligence. And I believe I said this in the last thing. The first thing you need is a date table. What I've got here is I'm going to put this in my GitHub repository. Is an all-encompassing date table for the standard Gregorian calendar, a fiscal calendar starting October 1st, and a retail 455 calendar, anchor date of February 7, 2010 equals Sunday. Gregorian calendar looks pretty standard. The key here are these unique identifiers: year, quarter, year, month, year, week. The fiscal calendar, fiscal year week, fiscal year month, fiscal year quarter. Those are the key unique identifiers. And this retail calendar, retail year week, retail year quarter, and retail year month are key identifiers. And those are what we use in our calendar options when we create multiple calendars. So now let me show you how to do the multiple calendars. I've got this date table and I've got some ETI sales data. Just made up sales data. I'm going to go to model view, join order date to date on my date table, just regular date, 1-to-1, active, green, okay, great, save. Then I'll go back to table view, click on my date table, and go to calendar options. First thing you want to do is mark it as a date table. On, choose a column, you want to use date, just date, validated successfully, and save it. Now you can create new calendars. So let's create the 3 calendars we have in our table, and then we can use them in measures and visuals. So we'll do our Gregorian calendar. Starts on year. I want to use year, validate, that's fine. Add a category, quarter. Well, you might think you could use quarter, validate, that's no good. It's unexpected relationship, 1-to-1, many was expected. Make sure you have the correct column. You have to use the unique identifier, year, quarter. Then if you validate, it's okay. Same with months, month, year, month, week, year, week, and date. You always just use date, save and close. They want me to validate first. Okay, everything's great. Save and close. New calendar. Fiscal calendar. Add category year. Select primary column. Fiscal year. Validate. Okay. You get the hang of this. Add category quarter. And these are why I added the unique identifiers. Fiscal year quarter. Month. If I try to use month number, nope. Again, showing you what works and what doesn't. Fiscal year months. Okay. Week. Fiscal year week. Date. Again, just date. Save and close. Want me to validate. Validated, save and close. And let's do our last one. Retail. Calendar. Year. Retail year. Month. Retail year month. We skipped quarter. Quarter. Retail year quarter. Months. Retail year month. Whoops. Retail year months. Week. Retail year week. Date. Date. Validate. Save and close. Now, in our YTD, MTD, QTD measures and visuals, we can use these calendars. So let's make some new measures. I like to make a measure table, enter data. I always call mine key measures because you can't just call it measures because there's already one there. Load. All right, my key measures. First of all, we need a total sales measure. So total sales equals, let me blow this up for you guys, control scroll. Oh, hit enter. Equals sum, say, sales, ETI sales data, total amount, enter. Okay, new measure. Let's do YTD. You guys can do the other ones on your own for practice. So Gregorian sales YTD equals total YTD expression. We want to calculate total sales. And then the calendar, we want to use Gregorian calendar. And we'll close that. Enter. We have a Gregorian sales YTD. Let's copy that. New measure. Paste. Fiscal. Fiscal. Commit. New measure. Paste. Retail. Retail. Commit. Now I'm going to put a line chart up there. I'm going to drop in. Once you've put other measures in your key measures, you can delete column one. Okay, for my date table, I'm going to drop in, let's do quarter and, no, not quarter. Let's do year quarter and total sales. And we want to sort that axis by year quarter, and we want to sort that axis ascending. So that's from our Gregorian calendar. Let's copy this visual, paste it. Shrink this one some. Bring this up a little and shrink it. Okay. Take out year quarter. Put in fiscal year quarter. Sort axis, fiscal year quarter. Sort axis, ascending. And let's copy that one. And paste it. And drag it down. And take out fiscal year quarter. And put in retail year quarter. Sort the axis, retail year quarter. Sort the axis, ascending. Now, let me go back, take out my total sales, and put in Gregorian sales, YTD. So the second one, take out my total sales, and fiscal sales YTD. And go to the third one, and take out my total sales, and put in retail sales YTD. And you can see, so now you can see how our sales ran by the regular year, the fiscal year, by the retail year. Sure, this would be great in matrix displays. You only have one calendar, but you have multiple calendars hanging off of it, and you can analyze your data by those calendars as well. I'm going to do the association video on the association and maybe a few more on this. I think this will get you started. Go out there and make some month, quarter, week measures. Try out week to date, previous week, next week. I did have a video on that. And I hope you liked this video. I hope you got something out of it. I think this is really cool. If you liked it, please like and subscribe. And I'll see you next time. Thanks, everybody.